Welcome back to Handmade at Home. It's me, AV. Can you believe that it is fall already? Where did the time go? Did you get a chance to try all the fun and cool summer crafts like tie-dye? No worries if you didn't. Today, I'm going to show you how to fallerize this trend. We are tie-dyeing coffee mugs. And yes, I made up the word fallerize. Let's get crafty. For this project, all you need is a white ceramic coffee mug, oil-based paint markers, rubbing alcohol, a sticker in the shape of your choice, and cotton swabs. To get started, you want to wash your mug with dish soap, then again with rubbing alcohol, and let dry. You also want to avoid touching the surface of your mug because the oil on your fingers will prevent the paint from adhering to your mug properly. Carefully, you want to place your sticker on your mug. If you touched it, you can clean it up with rubbing alcohol. Then you want to begin to draw patterns of color on your mug around your sticker. Once your mug is colored, you want to take an alcohol-saturated cotton swab and quickly dab until the colors blend. Allow your mug to dry for a few hours or overnight, then place into a cold oven and bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. You want to let your oven completely cool before you remove it because it will crack the ceramic if you do it otherwise. No one wants a cracked mug. We have brought the pumpkin spice realness to tie-dye. What do you think? Did I fallerize this trend or what? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.